Hey everybody, this is Simon. In this video, we will take a look at insertion sort. Insertion sort is a sorting algorithm that works by repeatedly taking one element at a time from the unsorted part of the list and inserting it into its correct position within the sorted part. Let's see the insertion sort in action. We will sort the array in ascending order. We start from the beginning of the array and keep everything on the left side as sorted. And the right side is unsorted. There is nothing on the left from 5. 5 is in the proper place. In the next iteration, we will start with the second element. 3 is less than 5. To keep the left side sorted, we swap 5 and 3. 3 in the proper place. The left side is sorted and the right is unsorted. Next iteration, we start from the third element. 1 is less than 5. We swap 1 and 5. 1 is less than 3. We swap 1 and 3. The left side is sorted. Next iteration, we start from the fourth element. 4 is less than 5, we swap them. 4 is in the proper spot. 8 is the next number. 8 is greater than 5. The left side is already sorted. The last iteration starts from the last element in the array. To keep the array sorted, we need to exchange 2 with all elements greater than 2. We swap 2 and 8. 2 is still not in the proper place. We swap 2 and 5. 4 is greater than 2, we swap them. And finally we swap 3 and 2. We completed the sorting of the array. Here is how to implement insertion sort in Python. The implementation in C# or Java is very similar. The time complexity of insertion sort is big O of n squared, where n is the size of the array. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.